So this is the Tulip Stitch. Very pretty, and it's a very fast stitch to make. Wonderful, like for a scarf or a baby blanket. It's the same on both sides. So this is a number 4 worsted yarn, and I'm using the hook that the yarn calls for. This is an H hook. So let's start doing this. So what you want to do is chain a multiple of 4 plus 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, plus 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make 3 double crochet on the 5th chain from your hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 double crochet into that same space. 1, 2, and 3. So this is where the repetition starts. You're going to skip 3 chains. That's 1, 2, 3. And on the 4th, you are going to single crochet and chain 3. And make 3 more double crochet into that same space. That's 1, 2, and 3. So now again, we skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th, single crochet, chain 3, and make 3 more double crochet into that same space. 1, 2, 3. And at the end, once you reach the end, you skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into that last chain. And that is the first row. Row 2, you're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn, and on that same space that where you chained 1, that place there, you're going to make 3 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So let's do the repetition. You're going to skip all these. You're going to skip the 3 double crochet, and into that chain 3 space, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 3, and 3 more double crochet into that same space. There we go. Now we're going to skip all of this, and again we're going to go into that chain 3 space, single crochet, chain 3, and 3 more double crochet into that same space. 1, 2, and 3. And once you reach the end, you skip all that, and on the last chain 3 space, you single crochet. And you repeat that. So let's do that row again. So now all next rows are going to be the same. You are going to chain 4, turn, and 3 double crochet into that first space where you single crocheted. So that's going to be 1, 2, and 3. Now you skip these 3 double crochets and go into that chain 3 space and single crochet there, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into that same space. 1, 2, and 3. Again, you skip all this, go into that chain 3 space and single crochet there, chain 3, 3 double crochet into that same space. That's 1, 2, and 3. And then once you reach the end, you skip all these stitches there and go into that chain 3 space and single crochet. And that's it. You repeat that last row, and this is the way it looks. So see, here I am going to go, I already chained my 4, did my 3 double crochet into that first space, single crochet into that chain 3 space, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into that same space. So you repeat all this and you have a beautiful piece like this. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. I'll see you next time.